Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to use our new sensitive content flagging feature for images, videos, and documents. While handling your chats, if you receive inappropriate media, simply go to the bottom of the file and click Flag as Sensitive. Once flagged, the system will hide the item by default. From that point on, anyone accessing the conversation will see a warning that the content has been hidden, but they'll still have the option to click and view it if necessary. Additionally, the system offers an advanced level of moderation. When viewing a flagged item, admins and supervisors can choose the Delete Media option. By doing so, the file is permanently removed from the chat interface and will only show a deleted status with no viewing option for the support team. Finally, in the File Management section, it's worth noting that only management profiles have permission to restore these deleted files. This manual feature is essential for blocking unwanted photos or documents and will serve as the foundation for future updates, where AI will be able to flag media automatically, while still allowing for manual review and restoration if the system makes a mistake. I hope this summary helps you make the most of our platform's security and moderation features. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time.